If you want to know if someone is online on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Here's how you can check. 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app and tap your avatar in the top left corner. 2. View the friends list. Scroll down to find My Friends and open your friends list. Locate the person you want to check. 3. Check their activity. Tap on their profile or avatar. While Snapchat doesn't show online statuses, you can look at their last location if they have Snap Map enabled. This indicates when they were last online. 4. Send a message. Open the chat for that person and send a message, like hi. Go back to the chat screen and check the status of your message. If it says delivered, the message has reached them. If it changes to opened, it means they're online and have seen your message. Since Snapchat is a more private platform, there's no direct online status like on Instagram or Facebook. Sending a message is the best way to check if someone is currently active. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.